welcome to Lakshmi Ma'am Max classes. Now we are going to see about 10th standard Max model exam question paper. State and prove the angle bisector theorem. Usually bisector means it divides the angle into two equal half. First we write the statement. The internal bisector of angle of a triangle divide the opposite side internally in the ratio of the corresponding sides containing the angle. This is the theorem statement. Proof. First, draw the triangle ABC and AD be the internal bisector of the angle A, CAB. We have to prove that this two sides is the ratio of these two sides is equal to the ratio of these two sides. AB by AC equal to BD by CD. This is the rough diagram drawn to understand the statement. We draw the diagram ABC, the angle bisector at A bisect the angle, AD bisect the angle. Bisect means it divide the angle A into two equal half parts. That means angle bisector. Internally in the ratio, this line divides the angle triangle in the opposite side of the angle A internally in the ratio of the corresponding sides containing the angle. The angle containing A is the corresponding side is this angle is made up of CA and AB or AB and AC. These two lines makes the angle A. These two lines AB by AC is equal to BD by CD. We have to prove that. Now we draw a parallel line to AB. AB parallel to CE. Let it the point CE. We extend the angle bisector AD into AE to cut the point at the E, the parallel line. Now we have to parallel lines cut a transverse cut the parallel line. Therefore make alternative angle equal. That is, this angle is equal to this angle. Therefore, the angle CED is equal to DAB. And also, this is a bisector. So, the angle DAB is equal to CAD. These two angles are equal. CAD angle CAD equal to angle DAB. Now to prove AB by AC equal to BD by CD, the first point, number one, statement is angle AEC equal to BAC. Angle AEC, this angle is equal to angle BAE. Two parallel lines, reason two parallel lines cut by a transversal makes the alternative angle equal. The second point is in triangle ACE. We consider the triangle ACE is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangles means the two sides are equal. Since this angle CAE is equal to ECAE. Angle CAE equals angle CEA. Angle E and angle CAE is the equal angle. Therefore, the two sides will be equal. For this is the condition for the isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means the two sides are equal. Therefore, AC equal to CE. Put this equation as number 1. Now, the third point, in triangle ABD is similar to ECD. Triangle ABD is similar to DCE. Since angle and angle similarity. Sometimes side and side equal to similarity, and angle and here angle and angle similarity. Therefore, these two triangles are similar. Therefore, AB by CE equal to BD by CD by AA similarity. Now, we have already have AC equal to CE. We substitute this CE equal to AC. AB by AC equal to BD by CD from the equation 1. Hence proved. I think you understand very well. If you have any doubt, ask in comment, and any suggestion, tell me in comment. Inform me in comment. If you like this program, give a like and share. Okay, thank you for watching my class.